Oh yes, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I'm by the names of Morris, the Crochet Master. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel, and that is Hair Zipper. Yes, with me, the Crochet Master Morris. Thank you so much for all the support, and today I'm trying out something very difficult, and this is. I'm trying out to play it cornrows. Yes, excuse me. Yes, I'm trying to play it cornrows, the puff cornrows, as you can see. Yes, and on the other previous video, I told you you just choose the braid that you'll keep on adding. Yes, you just choose the braid that you'll keep on adding. So you keep on adding it according to how you want your braid, the volume of the braid, the size that you want your braid to be. So when you feel it like in your hands, you can feel it, and then you stop there, then you start finishing the braiding. This one can be done in all hair types. Yeah, even if you have natural hair still, you can do these cornrows. So this is how I do it. I think it's now my second time to play them, but I just keep on perfecting every time I do them. You see, I start with a small one, and whenever I'm adding, I start adding with a small one. You see how I'm trying to figure it out. Yes, just like that. It's very hard, and I just keep on adding that same volume. So when I reach like in the middle there, I can add the big one, but according to the size of the braid that I'm going to be doing. So if you want to play it cornrows, those are the message, those are the steps that you can be using. First, you have to know the volume or the size of the braid that you're going to be having. So another thing, you should always maintain that. In fact, mostly it doesn't look good when you start with a big one. So that's why when we are starting here in front, we always start with a small hair, so that we just keep on adding on the volume, and if you feel like you have reached on the size or the braid that you want, you stop there, you don't add on, you just keep on braiding. And this is the same thing that I do. And another thing, you have to make sure that your lines are very neat, perfectly, so that you can do all those things. So if your lines are very nice, still you have to get the good results when you're done. So this is how I keep on doing my cornrows. I told you, anything is possible. Anything is possible if you just have that passion of learning everything. So you see how I started. Yeah, it is my second time, but you see, then I keep on adding slowly by slowly. Yes, you have to keep that communication with the person who is giving you the braiding, so that you can tell her or him to add on the volume or to reduce on the volume according to how you feel in your hands. So this is how I do my cornrows, and guess what, I'm going to do it in a puff way. So I want you to subscribe so that you can keep on watching all my videos, because I told you I will have to give you all types of hairstyle that you want to learn. So this is how I'm doing the cornrows. Thank you so much for those ones who love hair zipper. Yes, Shout out to all my friends, Esther, Maureen, JK, and Jalia. Thank you so much for watching. There is Emi, Sharon, all those ones as Lynn. Thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. We love you so much. Thank you for that great job you're doing. So you see how I'm trying to kill it. I'm doing it this way, and trust me, it's going to look massive. Yes, I told you it's my second time to play it cornrows. Yes, and I'm doing them perfectly, you see. So it's just the passion. You just keep that passion and you can do something good. Yes, just like that. As long as you don't pain someone. Yeah, that one is very important. We shouldn't be paining our clients, guys. Yeah, it's not good. I find some clients telling me that for me, I first take painkillers before plating. And why would you do that? It's not advisable. So you should have to communicate with your hairdresser on how you should keep maintaining your hair. Yeah, just like that. You see? I'm doing it, guys. It's very simple. It's very simple and nice. Very simple and nice. So around on Vital, you'll see how it's going to come out. And I told you that my lessons are always on Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And if you want to come and join me on to my academy, you can come at Hair Zipper and you register. You start learning all these kinds of hairstyles. And trust me, if you have that passion, you'll have to learn them and you do them yourself. So keep on loving Hair Zipper, and please, you should not forget subscribe whenever you watch. Don't forget subscribe so that we do this together every time I post the videos. Yes, so this is how I keep on doing it. Yes, so that's how I keep on doing my puff cornrows. And when you're done doing that, remember we have to do that simple touch by, yeah, I saw the puff, as you can see, and I can get the little hair, and then I just roll it, keep on sewing my puff the way I want it to be, and you see how it is nice. Yes, that's how I keep on doing my final touches, and all these baby hairs that are left, I just try to put my gel, and then I finish them with my the strings. So thank you so much for loving Hair Zipper, and I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video. I love you. Mwah.